Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another brief Sheetify CRM tutorial. Today I'll be diving into the Quick Start Guide, this learning resource that you can take advantage of to get up and running with Sheetify CRM and our Sheetify Bookkeeping Toolkit. If you're unfamiliar with our all-in-one Google Sheet templates, what I'll do is add the appropriate tutorials down below to help you get started. Again, like I mentioned, I just want to briefly talk about this Quick Start Guide that we recently added to both our Sheetify CRM and Bookkeeping Toolkit. This Quick Start Guide is going to help you get up and running in minutes. Essentially, this Quick Start Guide is broken down into sections, and each of these sections cover important elements in regards to using our templates. For example, authorization, this is our 3-step guide to get you started. Now, each of these sections also have a video link. So depending on how you prefer to learn about a new product or tool, you can either read the instructions or you can watch a step-by-step tutorial. Okay, so as soon as you purchase one of our templates, you'll be taken directly to this Quick Start Guide. And you can see the Quick Start Guide is automatically selected here. Now to hide this Quick Start Guide, simply navigate up to Sheetify, then come down and click on Hide Quick Start. And that's going to hide the Quick Start sheet from your menu navigation. Again, if you want to go back to the Quick Start Guide, then click on Sheetify and come down to Quick Start Guide again, and you'll be automatically taken to this page. Again, this Quick Start Guide is now available on our Sheetify CRM and Bookkeeping Toolkit. And for those of you that want to learn more about our Sheetify CRM or Bookkeeping Toolkit, what you can also do is head over to our website and check out our updates. Here you can read all about helpful Google Sheets tips, as well as how-to guides, strategies, and other helpful posts. You can also head over to our Sheetify CRM YouTube channel to stay updated with all our new templates, tools, and features that we continue to add to Sheetify. However, that is it for this brief guide. If you got value from this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this channel, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care.